So hello everyone, how are you? Once again, hello and welcome to my video. Hopefully all of you are doing it by the grace of God. So 2025 is almost over, and after 1 or 2 days, 2026 will begin. And ask yourself one honest question: did you become better, or did you just get older? And if the answer is no, then listen carefully. You aren't born to be average. You aren't born to live like average life. You aren't born to watch other people win while you stuck. Because your parents has worked so hard to rise in you. That's why now it's your responsibility to give them a better life. So that's why you will also become. So that's why you will have to be very successful in your life, and you'll have to become a very successful in 2026. You will have to remember that 2026 will be your best year. So that's why you will have to do what I'm going to say to you. So first of all, if you want to become so successful in 2026, you will have to adapt these things that I'm going to say to you. And first of all, you will have to wake up early, and after that you will have to work on your body, and after that you will have to work on your skill and work on your mindset, because these are things very important if you want to become so successful in 2026. Because whoever has become so successful in their life are ones who adapted these things. If you also want to become so successful, you shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes, because mistakes are normally things which are very close to your heart. And if you're doing wrong somewhere down the line, the only thing that keeps you going is the fact that you're still surviving. Because whoever has become so successful in their life are ones who made lots of making mistakes, yes, but at the same time they have also learned new things from their mistakes. But so that's why if you want to become so successful in your life, you shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes, because mistakes are our biggest teacher. Because if you don't make mistake, how will you be able to learn something? So that's why mistakes is important. But at the same time you will also have to remember that you will have to learn from your mistakes. And when you learn from your mistakes, only that time you will be able to change your future, and only that time you will be able to be the best version of yourself. And you should all and the second thing is, use your time very productively, because time is the most important thing in the world. So that's why you should use your time very productively. Because whoever has become so successful in their life are ones who use their time very productively. They haven't wasted their time, because they knew that time is the most precious thing, and time is the most important thing in the world. So that's why if you want to become successful in your life, you will have to use your time very productively. And number 3, learn something new every single day. Because learning is the most important thing for everyone who want to become very successful in their life. So that's why you have to learn something new every single day, and it can be anything, but you will have to learn something new every single day. And number 4 is do hard things. And number 4 is always do hard things. Because always remember, if you do hard thing right now, you will have an easy life, or if you do easy thing right now, you will have a hard life. So choice is yours, and always do the hard things. Because always do the hard things. Because always remember, success doesn't come from comfortable situation. Success only come from uncomfortable situation. So that's why the more you can put yourself in an uncomfortable situation, there are more chance you can get success in your life, and you will be able to very successful in your life if you put yourself in uncomfortable situation. Because so that's why you'll have to put yourself in uncomfortable situation, and after that you'll be able to see that you're getting so success in your life. And you will have to become so successful in your life, because your parents has worked so hard to rise in you, and because you have to become so successful in your life.